Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at VanEck's Pharmaceutical ETF. This is ticker PPH. Now, PPH is one of very few ETFs and indexes that are in an uptrend right now. We have SPY under the 50-day moving average. We have QQQ under the 50-day moving average. We have IWM looking gross under most of the key moving averages. And don't even let me bring up the home builders. Okay, I will. Home builders are under the 200-day. And so there's not really many places to hide for active investors. But I noticed today that a lot of biotech stocks and pharmaceutical stocks are actually setting up and doing really well. So we're going to look at a bunch of those tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. But wanted to bring up PPH for you because even though the market kind of sold off today, PPH still showed a lot of relative strength. It's above all the key moving averages and flagging a little bit here on the daily chart. I can see a pretty clear downward sloping trend line flag. And so what I want to see from this is continued upside momentum above $100.50. Now, that would signal a new all-time high here on PPH. And that again would show a lot of relative strength in the market versus the S&P 500 and the Qs. And if there really is a bit of a rotation out of tech right now and into some other sectors, I think PPH is definitely one to watch. So I would consider setting an alert at around $100.50 and look for a move through that level coming on higher than average volume. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time.